Do you want to triple your buying power instantly? Stop trading with a small account. In crypto, size is your edge. LBank has dropped the ultimate strategy for January, a massive 200% first deposit bonus. This is the liquidity injection you have been waiting for. Let's break down the tiers. It is simple math. Tier 1 deposit $200, get $400 back. Tier 2 deposit $500, get $1,000 back. But here is the winning move. Tier 3, deposit $1,000 and secure a $2,000 bonus. You deposit $1K, but you trade with $3K. Now listen carefully. This is a salary protocol. You earn this bonus over 10 days. For Tier 3, you get paid $200 every single day. The condition? Just do your job. Hit the daily futures volume target. For the max bonus, you need 100,000 volume daily. Are you a high roller? If your net deposit hits $5,000, you get an extra $1,000 bonus. Warning: follow these rules or get nothing. Rule number 1. Click the register button on the event page before you deposit. Rule number 2. The Golden Handcuffs. Do not withdraw for the first 10 days. If you withdraw, the daily payments stop immediately. Rule number 3. The bonus expires in 7 days. Use it aggressively to open positions. This opportunity ends on January 31st. We are already deep into the month. Do not leave money on the table. The exclusive sign-up link and registration page are in the description. Go register now. Start your grind. This was CV Bonus Hunter.